Mr. Underwood, tell me why you're running for election against Henry Cuellar.
I'm running because some of the mistakes that have been made with the administration in Washington has hampered not only my ability to run my business in Seguin, but the people all across the district. I believe our costs are getting out of control, and our hardworking families are being taxed beyond what they should.
And have you previous experience in the political realm?
No, I do not. I am a Tea Party patriot, and I've stepped forward as a business owner and a concerned citizen. And that's I've sat on boards, and I've been president, vice president, officer of different civic clubs, but not on this level, no.
What do you bring to the table to the people of Laredo and South Texas as far as immigration reform is concerned?
On immigration reform, that is a huge, huge problem, and it's not one to be guessed at or taken lightly. It's a problem that we are all going to have to deal with, and I've said time and time again, I don't pretend to have every answer for every issue, that our problems need to be solved by open communication among all of us to come up with the best solutions.
And tell me what makes you stand apart from Henry Cuellar, bottom line.
Two conflicting ideologies, mainly. I'm a true believer in lower taxes and less government intervention. Mr. Cuellar has voted for tax increases time after time. I believe when a man works hard or a woman works hard, at the end of the week, they need to keep more of their paycheck in order to provide for their families. I think that the individual and the family is the root of our country, and that they make the better choice as to where their money should go, better than the federal government.